Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
My name is Jerry Salas, and this is my wife, Rafaela. I'm the owner of the Jesus Spanish School. Okay? In this school, you wanna learn Spanish like a native speaker. Okay? I'm American. I'm Venezuelan. Okay? Venezuela, Spanish that's my language. Okay? So I also have a profile in wisam.com. You can check here, wisam.com. Okay? And here I have 456 hours tutoring Spanish. Okay? I have 5 stars. Okay? And also I have a background check pass. That is good for you. Okay? And this is the review of my students. My students are children, teenagers, and adults. You can see here they say great teacher, great program, able to keep the key focus. They say knowledgeable and patient tutor. They say fun and challenging tutor, extremely knowledgeable and patient and kind. Impressive teaching methods. My method is immersion. It's a Spanish immersion program. I use just Spanish. I use English also, but the majority of the course is in Spanish. Okay. Okay. I want to show you the levels. Okay. I work with the levels. I work with the Common European Framework of Reference for Languages, right? And also, this is A1, pay attention, A1, A2, B1, B2, C1. Okay, this is the hours, okay? The first course is elementary 1, is A1, it's gonna be 30 hours, and the second one is 30 hours, gonna be 60 minutes, 60 hours, okay? I use this book, 2 books. The first book that I use is the Spanish sound. With this book, you want to learn how to learn in Spanish. For example, quickly, you want to say like this. Say A, avión.
Avión.
E, elefante. I, iglesia. O, oso. U, uvas. Muy bien. Okay, when you finish this book, you want to learn how to read in Spanish. How to read in Spanish. This is the Spanish phonetic, and it's very good for you. After that, we have the Spanish course, and this is the book. You can see here is A1.1 y el curso de español para niños. This is a Spanish course for children, but I use this book for children, for teenagers, for adults, and they love it. They love it. Okay, so this is my Spanish school. Okay, I already talked with your teacher. I already talked with your principal. Okay, please, could you please pass this in YouTube, for example, the email for everybody, for your friends, for your teachers, also because teachers also want to learn Spanish. Okay. That's it. This is me. My name is Jerry Salas, and this is my Spanish school. This is my Spanish channel. It's gonna be in YouTube, okay? The first course, let me tell you, the first course is gonna be totally free. It's totally free. You don't have to pay nothing, okay? And after that, it's gonna be almost free. My courses, okay? Adiós. Cuídate mucho, mi nombre es Jerry Salas. Nos vemos en YouTube, in my channel in YouTube, okay? Remember, the course is totally free. A1.1 is totally free. And the other ones is gonna be almost free, okay? You wanna see it. Adios, cuídate. It's gonna be so good for your, remember, in middle school, it's gonna be so good in middle school for your Spanish course in middle school and high school. Adiós, cuídate.
Adiós.
Nos vemos. Adiós.